Hello everyone, welcome back to CarOg 765, the channel where we bring classic American cars back to life with stories, sound, and soul. If you love vintage machines, chrome details, and real automotive history, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to CarOg 765 and support the channel, because every subscription helps us keep these legends rolling. Today we are talking about a beautiful and often underrated classic, the 1962 Buick Skylark. This car is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of early 1960s American confidence, style, and smooth engineering. The Skylark arrived at a time when America was dreaming big, highways were expanding, and cars were becoming symbols of freedom and success. The 1962 Buick Skylark was part of Buick's intermediate-size lineup, and it was designed to offer luxury with a lighter, sportier feel compared to the big full-size Buicks. What makes the Skylark special is how it balances elegance and performance without trying too hard. It looks calm, classy, and confident, exactly how a premium car of that era should feel. From the outside, the 1962 Skylark has a clean and tasteful design. The body lines are smooth, not overly aggressive, but still strong enough to give the car a solid road presence. The front grille carries that classic Buick identity, white and proud, with chrome accents that shine beautifully in sunlight. The headlights are simple yet expressive, giving the car a friendly but authoritative face. This is the kind of car that turns heads quietly, without shouting. The side profile shows long lines and balanced proportions. You can really see the early 60s design philosophy here, where cars were meant to look elegant from every angle. The chrome trim along the sides adds a premium touch, and the overall stance feels stable and well planted. Whether it's parked or cruising down the road, the 1962 Buick Skylark carries itself with dignity. Step inside, and you immediately feel the Buick promise of comfort. The interior of the Skylark is spacious and thoughtfully designed. The seats are wide and comfortable, made for long drives rather than short sprints. The dashboard layout is clean, with clear gauges and classic styling that feels timeless even today. There is chrome inside as well, but it is used with taste, not excess. One of the highlights of the 1962 Skylark was its aluminum V8 engine, a unique feature at the time. Buick experimented with lightweight engineering, and this made the Skylark feel more agile than many larger cars of its era. The engine delivered smooth power, not aggressive muscle, but refined performance. It was perfect for drivers who wanted a relaxed yet confident driving experience. Driving the 1962 Buick Skylark was all about smoothness. The suspension was tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Steering was light, making it easy to handle even in city driving. On the highway, the car felt stable and quiet, offering a peaceful ride that made long journeys enjoyable. This was a car built for people who valued comfort and class over raw speed. What really makes the Skylark special is its place in history. It represents a transition period in American automotive design, moving from heavy full-size cars toward more efficient and manageable dimensions, without sacrificing luxury. The 1962 Skylark showed that you could have refinement in a smaller, smarter package. Today, the 1962 Buick Skylark is appreciated by collectors and classic car lovers who understand subtle beauty. It may not be as famous as some muscle cars, but that is exactly its charm. Owning a Skylark means you appreciate elegance, history, and understated power. It is a car for people who know cars, not just show them off. For classic car fans, the Skylark is also a reminder of Buick's engineering creativity. From its lightweight construction to its smooth ride, it shows how much thought went into making a premium driving experience. Even after decades, this car still feels special, still feels respected, and still feels alive. If you enjoyed learning about the 1962 Buick Skylark, make sure you like this video, share it with fellow classic car lovers, and most importantly, subscribe to CarOg 765 for more vintage American car stories. We bring you passion, history, and appreciation for machines that defined an era. Thank you for watching, and until the next classic rolls onto the screen, keep the engines alive and the memories rolling, only here on at CarOg 765.